Hey!
Yeah, we went down the street, sat down at some other little farm.
How are you feeling?
I feel rat shit.
Benny Mac. How you feeling, bro?
No bueno.
We partied pretty hard last night and everyone is feeling a little worse for wear. But we are on another bus and we are heading to Halong Bay to spend 2 days on a boat cruising around the islands. Going on a boat, mate.
Mate, they were wearing the same
It's a filler. This is the boat we have to sleep on for 2 nights. Now this is something that I'm really excited about. We're heading to Halong Bay. We're gonna spend a couple of days on a boat, cruising around the islands and just relaxing after a huge amount of time on bikes. What a welcome. I can only work 20 hours a week. There you go.
Yeah. Looks good, mate. Looks very good. I was not expecting this. Pleasant surprise. It's good. Yeah, not what I expected at all. I was expecting some tin box. Yeah. Yeah. This is what I expected.
Halong Bay is truly stunning, with its emerald water and thousands of towering limestone islands. Well, we are on the boat and it is awesome. It's a little luxo. It's far exceeded our expectations. Bedrooms are awesome. There's a bathroom and a bar. I haven't had a bath for years, actually.
Jesus Christ!
We did your typical tourist thing. We went out on some little boats and explored some of the little caves and coves. It was good fun, but I was more interested in just kicking back and relaxing on our boat.
Today is day, what day is it? Day 12, 13. Yeah. Oh man, we started this morning. We all woke up with raging hangovers because we partied all night last night.
Now, today we left the homestay bright and early in the morning.
Where did we go today? Where did we start this morning? I can't remember. Can we start this again, Jake?
We rode 100 Ks up amazing views, had the best pork of my life.
We're having the best, most awesome time.
We drove into Halong Bay and we got on the pool and we're having the most epic time.
That was the most epic day I've ever had in my life. I had a shower this morning. The water was hot. It wasn't even close to being cold. It was amazing. And then we got on a bus. We drove for 2 hours at 45 kilometers an hour. It was epic. This place is amazing. I'm having the best time of my life. This night is incredible. That's it. Jimmy out.
Go! guys are awesome.
Nailed it.
Yeah, you can all do this better than me. Is that right? I don't even know how I do it now. Vietnam has been absolutely incredible. The roads were amazing, the bikes that we were on were incredible, and the scenery that we've been through was just absolutely breathtaking. If you're ever going to do a trip through Vietnam, head north, follow the Chinese border, come back down around Laos. It's absolutely amazing. I can't recommend Vietnam as a motorcycling destination enough.